Hello everyone, my name is Woo Young Lee. I am a student currently enrolled in Stony Brook University, and this is my screencast for my final project for EST 106, the digital generation creating a professional web presence. The purpose of this project is to show how this course has taught me and helped me explore the different uses of social media in order to enhance my digital footprint in a way that benefits me. So this is the cover of my homepage. I made my website on the new Google Sites, and I chose to use Google Sites because it was very easy to use, yet the outcome was sophisticated even though I lacked the cool technology skills. This website was made to build my web presence and my personal brand. This page over here just welcomes viewers and gives a slight preview of what they can see on my site. To quickly read, it says, "Hello, welcome to my digital portfolio. In this site, you can find personal and professional information about me." And if you look at the top right corner, you can see other tabs that can guide you through my website. You can either see my About Me page, my resume page, my interests, my academics, and a Contact Me page. So moving on to the About Me page, you can see that there is a photo of me so that you can put a face to my name. This page gives an insight of what I am currently doing, what my future goals are, and just a few of my personal information, like how I am a biology major on a physician's path. And next, moving on to the resume page. The resume page is pretty self-explanatory. It shows my current and previous academic accomplishments, such as getting the Dean's List several semesters for both Hunter College and Stony Brook University. It also shows different volunteer opportunities that I got to experience, like working as a Sunday school teacher at my church since 2012, and being a key club member in my previous high school. Another thing it highlights is my work experiences along with my skills, such as working at a nail salon in Connecticut and a tanning salon, and a few of my skills being proficient in English and Korean and being comfortable with numbers and math. Next, moving on to my interests page. I wanted to show and tell my viewers of my site something that they wouldn't know about me if I didn't tell them. So this explains how I love to travel and explore new places along with pictures of when I was in Florida and in Connecticut. I wanted to show that I'm also a very family-oriented person and how I love hanging out with friends. It also shows my love for animals, along with pictures with me with an alligator, a horse, and a giraffe. And at the bottom, these are some of my other interests and hobbies like singing, dancing, beauty and cosmetics, and fashion. I wanted viewers of my site to get a glimpse of who I am as a person and not just a name on the piece of paper or on a screen. And if we go to the next page, which is the academics, you will see my academic process so far with my major related courses. I do not yet have a profound work experience that would help me with my web presence in my prospective field, and since I am a full-time student, I decided to make an academics page. Some of the courses that I took so far as a biology major is Organic Chemistry 1 and 2 with labs, Physics 1 and 2 with labs, and Biology 1 and 2 with labs. Although after this semester I will be interning at a hospital, I will be updating my site along with my resume. Lastly, this is my Contact Me page. This page is for anyone who has questions to ask me or if there are any reason to reach me. As you can see, I have listed 2 different emails and 3 different social media sites that anyone could reach me through. Thank you for listening to my project. Have a great day.